Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Backyard BodyWorks. We are continuing our work on the garden shed, and yes, it is a little rainy today, but it's supposed to clear off by 11, and it is 10:45. Consulted with the Weather Channel and consulted with Mother Nature, and she says yes, she's moving out by 11:15, and we should be able to go ahead and get started. So stick with us. Well, it is raining again, and so we're trying to decide what we're going to do. So stay tuned. Well, guys, so ends another a day of building. We got pretty much all the walls up. I don't know if you can see that right now because it's gotten dark. As you can tell, the light has gone and the outside lights on the house have come on. But you know, I'll take some pictures tomorrow and I'll put them in the video. But it looks good. We had some issues getting the garage door opening, but other than that, it went together great. Continue to like and subscribe, and leave comments or questions down below, and I'll try and answer them as best as I can. And remember that this is Backyard BodyWorks. Thanks for watching.